best way to find the cleanest beaches and the clearest water is from a bird's eye view high above in the sky. The Hawaiian Islands are very well known for helicopter tours. For the second flight, we decided to take this famous TV bird with no doors. For safety reasons, to prevent any items from getting caught in the helicopter's propellers, it is absolutely forbidden to carry any loose items into the helicopter. No loose bags, straps, hats, and so forth. Instantly, we see the entire city of Maui below, airport and all. Within 30 minutes, you can drive around the entire industrial and business section of the island, which is divided into two sections from here. The lush green rainforest jungle section, which is all along the famous Road to Hana from here, and the rest of the island here, which is open prairie farmland type. Most of the beaches are only accessible by private boat or helicopter. If hanging outside a helicopter is a little too extreme and adventurous, then sailing by all means is the way to go. From the town of Lahaina is where all forms of water vessels depart from, to the other islands, or for sailing or whale watching or dive trips. Catching enough wind for smooth sailing is best done in the late morning and early afternoon. Sailing adventures out of Lahaina Harbor on Maui for around $50 is one of the very best adventures yet. Although it's high noon here in the tropics, rain clouds can appear at any moment. Always have a light poncho ready, but wear thin clothes underneath that can dry quickly. Never wear heavy cotton clothes that'll take a long time to dry. Mid-December and January are the best time for viewing migrating whales that are headed southbound to Mexico. At sunrise, early birds can go out for less than $20.
Passengers, if you're going to get seasick, please don't do it in our head. Now, as far as rubbish, guys, believe it or not, the Coast Guard wants me to talk about trash, because they want to make sure that none of it ends up in the ocean. Trash is located towards the stern. We have two trash receptacles. They're located right between the blue seats at the stern. And we have two containers. One is clearly marked trash. The other one is clearly marked recycle on the lid. Please make sure the right stuff ends up in the right container. And if you're sitting towards the bow, you don't want to walk all the way to the back because you're having such a great whale show. Give your rubbish to one of the crew members and we'll dispose of it for you.
After early bird whale watching, enjoy socializing at high noon while sailing. There's plenty of elbow room for sketching, photography, drawing, or working on your suntan. Meet friendly people from all over the world in this private, intimate setting. If you're single and willing to mingle, sailing the seas has rich rewards.
Yes.
The evening sunset sailing cruises were made for opportunities such as these. Don't be shy and make the most of your day at Lahaina Harbor. And don't forget the sunset sailing cruise.
Come on, come on.
Oh!
They went around.
Always stay clear of rope and swivel and shifting sails. As the vessel turns to follow the whales, be sure that you don't fall overboard. Always have your cameras ready. You never know from which side of the vessel whales will appear. This common activity is known as flippering. In the fall, the California gray whale migrates down to the warm lagoons of Baja California to give birth. Everyone hopes this mother and calf will surface next to the hull. Fishermen and skippers usually holler out color when they see marine life close to the hull of their vessel. No luck for a super close-up photo this time.
Yep.
We actually had them in a cage and we just got them really excited. Let them go. Especially a 90,000 pound animal, that's got to be a pretty strong muscle. There it goes right there. Perfect example of that peduncle region.
My hopes of the mother and her calf surfacing next to the hull of our vessel didn't materialize.
Wave back, everybody.
It's hard to lay back and relax when there's so many things to see, such as the mega resort section of Maui, just 20 minutes down from Lahaina Harbor. Make the most of your last chance to mingle with singles and sail away into the Hawaiian sunset out of Lahaina Harbor, Maui, Hawaii.
It's a good thing.
Yeah. Been ready for my whole life. I've been sailing.
After hours for the ladies, that's about it.
Next stop, Tahiti, folks. Hope you brought a change of clothes.